cane sauce with the burrito and the box combo.
We got leftover seafood, lemon. Look at that. Lobster. Look at that lobster claw. Wow. Egg. Look at that. Everything is so good. Look at this lobster. Some extra butter. Lemon. I'm gonna try potato, y'all. Last time that was hard. Look how good that looks. Look at that. Yo, I think that was just poop on my lip. Ew. It's okay. Everything is so good today. Asia's birthday was like a few days ago. And why did I hit my fucking... No, I didn't even hit my head. I slammed my head in the door, y'all. It was insane. My freaking ear was bleeding and everything. I just can't even believe it. Then my freaking dad basically broke his freaking nose. It was like so much going on. I'm gonna peel this shrimp for y'all too. Because why not? Really good birthday. My birthday's coming up next. Ew! Y'all, this is like Play-Doh-y, falling apart. Ugh. I think it looks like that because it was in the refrigerator for like a week. I had this literally like a week ago. But I think it's still good to eat, you know? It's okay. Onion and egg. Look at that. Also, y'all, my birthday is coming up, my 21st. I have no clue what to do. It honestly feels like any other birthday. Because I've been 21 for like 10 years. I'm excited for my birthday, but like not really. I'm like depressed because I have no friends. That shrimp was so nasty and full of shit. Like, I'm over it. No more shrimp today. Our last bite.
Whoa, this sandwich is heaven. You guys, the buffalo sauce is a game changer. Should I put a Dorito in there? I think I should.
Yeah, you should put a Dorito and a hot Cheeto in there.
Let's put some Doritos in there. Oh yeah, that's the bite. Now let's put some hot Cheetos. Are you hot Cheetos or Doritos? Let me... And it's like so nice and soaked with that vinegar. Last bite. I had him try a bite just to make sure I wasn't like, this is it, right?
That was good.
It was like juicy.
Wait, did you put buffalo? Oh.
No, I didn't put buffalo on yours. Sometimes a sandwich is just like all you need. What chips do you guys eat with your sandwich? My go-to is Doritos, for sure.
What's up, y'all? Today I went to Chipotle and allegedly they got some new hot chips and we're gonna be trying them. So today my bowl is real heavy. I know they did not come to play. I know because I washed them like a hawk when they made my stuff and they said, oh, let me get more of that, please. Pretty please. I appreciate you so much, girl. So much. Hold on. Right? Yeah. Period. Look at that. So we're gonna be trying their new hot chips. All right, y'all, look at that. Wow. Yo. They're a little stale, but I'm so glad they do not be playing with my food. Baby, yes. Wow. Yeah, they did their big one. This is the perfect combo. Wow. Like, you just look at that.
What's up, guys? I got some Raisin Canes today.
We got some in and out. It is so bright outside. Lollipop has a new SpongeBob drink. This flavor is called Pineapple Paradise. Oh yeah, this has got some good pineapple flavor. I know a drink like this, it'll go so well with pina colada.
Today I'm gonna be eating Dave's Hot Chicken. I also got the Reaper Tender, cause why not? Add a honey pack on there. I also got some Fruit Riot to help with the spice. Next up we have the chicken salad. Whoever came up with this combo needs a raise. Here we got the cauliflower slider. It really do look like a big chunk of cauliflower. That's arguably more crispy than the actual tenders. And now the moment y'all been waiting for, look how black this tender is. Let's cool it down with some Fruit Riot.
Alright y'all, today I'm trying Casa El Desayuno. It's always a challenge finding good food here in Vegas. This place is known for their Mexican breakfast, but they also specialize in pancakes. Give me their green sauce. I got their best-selling breakfast burrito. They threw everything in here. What I like about them is that they have other burritos. You have the option to grilled cheese them. Here goes their pancake flight. You get to choose 3 different flavors of pancakes. I also saw that Dana White was following them, so they gotta be doing something right. I forgot what this one was called. They said it's some type of nutty Mexican dessert. Stacking them was a high IQ move. Here goes the red velvet pancake. Got some cream and chocolate chips on top. The owners actually used to work at IHOP, and that's where they got all their inspiration from. They wanted me to try their Mexican coffee. Not really sure what makes it Mexican. Oh, amigo. Lastly, dulce de luz. I'm gonna have to rate them a 9.6. Very high rating, but it makes it more impressive that they're a family-owned business that started 5 years ago and already got 3 big locations. I like it, I approve, and yes, I would try it again.
I got some meat from Fogo de Chao. Got the bone-in 32-ounce steak. Came with some of this. Delicious steak. I'm gonna have to give it a 9.2 out of 10. Here's the Brazilian spicy sausage. It is pretty spicy. Very nice piece of sausage. Gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. Enjoyed it a lot. Here's some chicken wrapped with bacon. Those have really good flavor with the bacon, and the chicken is cooked perfectly. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Next we got lamb. Lamb has pretty nice texture. Definitely kind of a weirder meat. I'd give it an 8 out of 10 though. Last meat is the Atlantic salmon. Nice piece of salmon, cooked very well. Gonna say 8.5 out of 10. Last for dessert, we got the chocolate cake. That is so amazing. That chocolate cake is outrageously good. Gonna have to say 9.8 out of 10. This bill was almost $200, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might be going for bankruptcy.
This is how I eat my Chipotle burrito. Let's do it. When you eat a Chipotle burrito, you gotta grill the cheese on the outside. It's easy. Just get a non-stick pan, melt some cheese, then you smack your burrito on there and just let it crisp up. Grill it a little longer than me. I got impatient. I'm hungry. I ain't gonna lie, every time I ate Chipotle with a jalapeno, game changer. Chipotle is so good, you gotta at least eat it once a week. It's so spicy, but so good.
Today we have imitation crab. Look at that. I done finally aced the sauce. Sadly, I am getting a little full, so last bite for you. It's like,
You smoking on that McDonald's pack? How you doing? Big Mac sauce on that McChicken. Oh, that sucks. That nugget with the mac sauce, too good to explain. I'm just gonna eat. The McGangbang looking bodacious. See some buffalo on that. I would tap that ass expeditiously. This thing is McGangbanging my taste buds. Yeah. Need the mid-mac? It's not big anymore. Oh, but it is so good. Oh, that's a good fry. Salty and crispy. What did Ice Cube say? Today was a good day? Yeah, it's a good day. Little fresh DC. It's like diesel going into a Mack truck. Nugs and fries on the Mac.
Now, Jollibee came out with this new Korean fried chicken, so let's see if it's just as good as it looks, because it looks too good. Ooh. Hold up. It has a hint of spiciness, sweetness, and a lot of flavor. Let's try with some honey. Ooh. Awesome. Not sure how long this is gonna be on the menu, but it's good. Now let's try the chicken sandwich. Sandwich has cucumbers, chicken, spaghetti, macaroni, and it's still crunchy too. Peach mango pie. So good.
2025, did Wendy's fall off? I think that's blasphemous. Hell no.
The other day, me and my brother was trying to decide what to eat for dinner. I suggested Wendy's. He said, Wendy's?
Well, you know what, Jermaine? I think you're stupid.
How could you not want a spicy nugget with ghost pepper ranch?
How could you not want a Baconator? Double, that is.
Y'all, please tell me where else y'all can get spicy nuggets from in the fast food game. I'll wait. McDonald's nuggets, y'all go ahead and drop the spicy nuggets. I'ma still come over here.
Wendy's Baconator held me down through high school and it's holding me dying through my early 20s. Consistent.
And the next best runner-up is these Baconator fries. They are so fire. Let's go.
Spicy chicken sandwich, it's a hit or miss depending on the freshness. And by the grace of God, guess what? It's fresh today. Hallelujah! Wendy!
Bringing up other fast food places again. Where else you gonna go and get quality cheddar cheese? Everywhere else got that cheese whiz.
One of the only fast food chains that has actual spicy chicken when they promote spicy chicken. Wendy's! Damn! I'd marry a damn Wendy, bro. And a Jas. And a Jas.
Next up, we got the chili. I don't want to hear it. I don't care how it's cooked. I'm still gonna eat it. Don't even comment about it.
Wendy's chili cheese fries. I don't care if I'm gonna be on the toilet all night. They're good going dying.
Gotta add the cheese and onions, but one thing about Wendy's, they always gonna forget my hot sauce and my crackers. That's why we gotta check the bag before we pull off, babe.
Are you yelling at me?
You didn't check it.
You listen here, brother.
He thinks he macho man.
I'm gonna damn do it to you.
Y'all look at that. Oh.
I usually don't like beans, but Wendy's beans, I eat a little bean.
What are we even talking about?
I don't see nobody talk about Wendy's or advertise Wendy's no more. Post about Wendy's. Wendy's, call on me. I'm your main. Came.
What about me?
Jas is here too if you want her, but
Wendy's, y'all cooked with these fusions. I love the Oreo one.
Diabetes in a cup, but I'ma still drink it every damn Thursday, bro. 2025, Wendy's gonna still be in my belly every damn Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I gotta cut back.
Taco Bell grilled cheese burrito. Bruh. Chase it down with some cold Baja Blast.
Eating all my favorite foods after fasting. Wingstop hot honey, grilled cheese burrito, Dave's hot chicken slider, mac and cheese, nacho fries, Doritos Locos Taco, Baja Blast, and a Chipotle bowl with extra tortillas. Also trying out this new Hollyland microphone.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Let's dig in. Hot honey. First bite. Grilled cheese burrito, little Dave's sauce on there. Ooh. Dave's mac. Ooh. Now we got the Dave's hot slider. Some mac. Some honey on there. Ooh. Now that's a good bite right there. I'll give this order a solid 9.3 out of 10.